So capsule number 9, that is related to general science. जनरल साइंस से रिलेटेड वन लाइनर फैक्ट, इसका PDF इंग्लिश और हिंदी लैंग्वेज में आपको टेलीग्राम पे प्रोवाइड कर दिया जाएगा. दैट विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर द क्विक रिविजन. द एलिमेंट विच इज़ मोस्ट एविडेंट इन ह्यूमन बॉडी, ठीक है, ऑक्सीजन. ब्लड ग्रुप विच इज़ यूनिवर्सल रिसिपेंट, दैट इज़ AB. बैक्टीरिया, ऑटोट्रॉफिक न्यूट्रिशन, ठीक है. ड्यूरिंग द फोटोसिंथेसिस ग्रीन प्लांट्स यूज एनर्जी फ्रॉम सनलाइट टू सिंथेसाइज ग्लूकोज विथ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर. मैं फिर से कह रही हूँ, इसका आपको PDF हिंदी में भी प्रोवाइड कर दिया जाएगा टेलीग्राम पे, जिसकी लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में है. खसरा इज़ अ कम्युनिकेबल डिजीजेस. मिसलिस इज़ अ कम्युनिकेबल डिजीजेस. क्लोरा, टाइफाइड एंड हेपेटाइटिस आर वाटर ब्रोन डिजीजेस. Cholera, okay. Xylem is associated with the transportation of water mineral from root to leaves in plants. There are 12 pair of ribs in human body. The main component of chlorophyll is magnesium. The smallest bone in human body is stapes. There are 22 bones in human skull. pH value of human blood is 7.4. pH value of fresh water is 7. Acidic is greater than 7 and base is smaller than 7. The largest gland is in human body is liver. The saliva helps in digestion of starch. Powerhouse of living cell is mitochondria. Tomato, oxalic acid. Largest and longest bone is femur. Master gland is known as pituitary gland. Neuron, unit of nervous system. Nephron, functional unit of kidney. Study of fungi is mycology. Sodium, to balance the water level in body. Iodine is necessary for the energy regulation in body. Calcium formation is related to bones and tooth. Okay, calcium is necessary for bones and tooth. Iron is necessary for the formation of hemoglobin and in the blood. Potassium is necessary for water level and heartbeat regulation. Hepatitis is caused by virus. Polio is caused by virus. Goiter is caused by lack of thyroxine in hormone in the body. Typhoid and tuberculosis are bacterial diseases. Cancer, diabetes and hypertension are non-communicable diseases. Malaria is caused by parasite. Do like this live session, share this video, share this video and subscribe to BH Infopedia. It is a quick revision video, capsule video regarding general science और इसको भी आप लोगों ने request किया था. Study of doctor of eyes related to disease. Ophthalmologist. Study of skin is called dermatologist. Vitamin and their importance. Vitamin A is related to vision growth. Sources are carrot, tomato, milk, eggs. Deficiency of vitamin causes night blindness. Okay, next is vitamin D. It increases calcium absorption from gastrointestinal tract and helps controlling calcium in bones. ठीक है. Deficiency of vitamin causes rickets and in adults it causes ophthalmopsia. The vitamin behaves like hormone. Vitamin E, it acts as antioxidant. It's essential for normal function of reproductive organ, maintain the structure of RBCs. Vitamin K helps in blood clotting, prevention of excessive bleeding. Vitamin B1 deficiency can be caused beriberi diseases. Vitamin B2 is deficiency can cause cyanosis or crack in skin. Vitamin B3 is related to deficiency can cause Pelgera, etc. Vitamin B5 is related to deficiency that causes dermatitis or loss of abnormal growth of hair. Vitamin B9 folic acid is related to deficiency can cause an anemia. Vitamin B12 is related to anemia again, pernicious anemia. Okay, vitamin C is related to essential for the formation of RBCs, the production of antibodies and acts as antioxidant. Okay, deficiency of vitamin causes Sarveki disease. This vitamin is evident in citrus food, avla, guava, tomatoes. Other important and expected questions related to physics, chemistry and applied sciences. Mirror used to have look rear views in the vehicle called convex mirror. Mirror used in solar cooker is called concave mirror. Chemical name of vinegar is acetic acid. Noise and sound is measured in decibel. The bats can fly and observe objects using ultrasonic sound waves. Cartography is the science study of maps. Isotope is used for production of atomic energy. Lead pencil is made up of graphite, not lead. ठीक है, इस चीज़ का ध्यान देना, लेड पेंसिल से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. रिंग वॉर्म इज फंगल डिजीज. वैक्सीन फ्रॉम स्मॉल पॉक्स वॉज इन्वेंटेड बाय एडवर्ड जेनर. लार्जेस्ट मैमल whale. Optical fiber are based on the phenomena of total internal reflection. Fertilizer occurs from fallopian tube. The sweet taste of fruit is due to fructose. Dry ice, carbon dioxide. Okay, dry eye कहते हैं carbon dioxide, that is condensed. Rainbow color is vibgyor. Okay. Base used in antacid in magnesium hydroxide. Bases are used. Most commonly used bleaching agent is chlorine. Brass, copper plus zinc. Okay. Mercury is the only metal that is liquid on the room temperature. Metal ion present in B12, cobalt. Mena-Mata disease is caused by population of water by mercury. Green color of plant is due to chlorophyll. Water density is maximum at 4 degree temperature. Stainless steel is an alloy. Iron, chromium and nickel. Aluminium salts commonly used for stop bleeding in potash alum. ठीक है. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट जनरल साइंस, जिससे एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस आपको नजर आ सकते हैं आपके पेपर में. फॉर द क्विक रिविजन हम आपको इंग्लिश और हिंदी लैंग्वेज में PDF टेलीग्राम पे प्रोवाइड कर देंगे. स्टे सेफ, प्रिपेयर वेल. साइनिंग ऑफ. टाटा.